Whether they run in the savannah, swim in the ocean, scamper through the forest, or fly in the air, our animal cousins aren't shy about letting us know when we've pushed too far into their territory. Lucky for us, we've managed to capture these encounters for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, and enjoy because damn nature, you scary. In cases like this, where some idiot is foolish enough to jump the barrier at the zoo and confront a dangerous animal like this hippo, I'm rooting for the hippo.
Losing it, Jake.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's go! You got tape on you? I know you carry tape.
Get this off.
Let's take a poll. Where is it better to find a snake in your house? In the toilet or the shower?
My roommate just woke me up at 7 in the f***ing morning saying there's a snake in our toilet. I'm so not in the mood. Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. What the...
Let's not forget, people, those barriers at the zoo are there for a reason. Don't be an idiot.
You can come this way.
I think this shark is just showing off his teeth, reminding everyone on the boat that today might not be the best day to go for a swim.
Yeah, well, there was two sharks.
Oh my god!
Look at that!
Oh my god!
What is going on there?
Is that normal?
No. What is that?
Tell me the truth. No one feels bad for this girl, do they? You'll see what I mean.
Oh, don't give him to that one.
No, do it. He's just nice. He doesn't know. No, it's okay. Come back. They will. Look, he just has to. Yeah. Whoa! What
No
the?
way, this is a giant
Holy moly, look at the size of this thing. That is a giant mud crab in the craziest, unlikely spot.
How would you feel if you were having a nap on the beach and some creepy Australian guy came up and started touching you?
I have officially.
If you camp out where the lions live, don't be surprised if they come around to investigate why a silly little human has decided to pitch a tent in their neighborhood. And don't expect a thin layer of polyester and nylon to do anything to protect you when faced with the king of the jungle.
Hey! Hey! Locker! Auf, los! Was soll passieren? Das Männchen bitte. Ich komm zu dir rüber.
Seals have a reputation for being one of the gentlest creatures in the sea, but they can have bad days and bad moods just like anyone else.
No, he's missed it.
One of the last places you want to be, either on purpose or by accident, is anywhere between a mama and her baby. That's when moms are most aggressive. This Hawaiian monk seal protecting her pup is no exception.
Get her out of the way! Get it out of the way!
Whale populations have made a dramatic return in recent years, but the number of pleasure boats out in the oceans have increased as well. It was only a matter of time before they crossed paths.
Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh, amazing! Oh!
Oh, the footage ring door cameras have been able to capture since their invention. In this case, we see a family's reaction to a black bear in their yard chasing their dog. Wait until the end to see Dad do his best bear impression.
Inside, inside. अरे आगे पीछे क्या
So, who's going to tell this bear that his presence at this picnic is not appreciated? Certainly not these people. There's anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 elephants living on the island of Sri Lanka, so seeing one on the roadside isn't uncommon. It's also not uncommon for the elephants to completely disregard the passing traffic. Let's get one thing straight. You're no match for a full-grown African elephant. Regardless of if you're trying to help out or not, if the elephant expresses its desire for you to get the hell out of there, do yourself a favor and get the hell out of there. When seeing the telltale eyeballs and silhouette of a crocodile surfacing above the water, most people would hightail it out of there, and for good reason. Every year, about 1,000 people worldwide lose their life to a crocodile attack.
Can you do that with this?
This is not your typical house cat. Can you imagine cleaning that litter box? How many of you watching are going to think that every little noise in your house could be a massive snake hiding in your walls from now on? In India, people live alongside elephants sharing the same spaces. And every once in a while, an elephant will make its way into town just to let the locals know who's really in charge around here. That's all for today, my friends. And remember, if we've learned anything today, please don't be an idiot and stay on the right side of the barriers at the zoo. Now hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more where this came from. See you next time.